Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use PestPac step by step. We'll explore scheduling, customer management, service tracking, billing, and reporting tools to help you run your pest control business more efficiently. Well, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing PestPac, the all-in-one pest control software built to streamline your business. From scheduling and dispatching to billing, customer communication, and reporting, PestPac has everything you need to save time, boost efficiency, and grow your business. Imagine handling your entire pest control operation with just a few clicks on the go or from the office. No more missed appointments, no more paperwork headaches, just smooth, seamless pest control management. So let's begin. Okay, so first of all, you need to visit the official website, which is pestpac.com. From here, there's going to be an option on the top right corner to click the Get Started button. And all you have to do is provide all the information, and one of the sales professional will contact you regarding about if they could offer a free demo or a free trial, depending if you are going to approve. But if you're not comfortable providing all the information needed here, you might want to go to the PestPac. And of course, there are a couple of ways for us to know about PestPac by not putting in some information if you're not comfortable. Basically, PestPac is a comprehensive software designed for pest control businesses, offering various tools to streamline operations. How? Well, if you go to the features right here, you would notice that they offer scheduling. So if you click that, basically, it helps businesses manage technician appointments and service visits efficiently. It allows for automated scheduling, recurring appointments, and route optimization. Now, the next is going to be the CRM or the routing. Routing optimizes technicians' routes to maximize travel time and fuel costs. That means you can use GPS tracking and mapping tools to improve efficiency and on-time arrivals. Next is going to be the custom forms. Now, the custom forms enable business to create digital forms for inspections, service reports, and compliance. That means any forms can be customized for specific service requirements and electronic signatures. Now, as you can see, you can access the professional forms. All you have to do is provide the information, and that's basically that. Next is going to be the mobile app. With mobile app, it gives technicians to schedule customer information and job details in real time. It means it allows for on-the-go data entry, invoicing, and customer communication. And we also have the CRM, which is going to be a centralized database for managing customer interactions, service history, and contact details. It helps improve customer service and retention by tracking follow-ups and communication. All right? Now, if you go to the termite inspection, it is a section that provides specialized tools for conducting and documenting termite inspections. That means you can include digital inspections, forms, reporting tools, and compliance tracking all in one place. There's also the option for the chemical tracking. Now, the chemical tracking is a section where basically you can monitor chemical usage to ensure compliance with industry regulations. It tracks inventory, application history, and required safety data. There's also the option for the marketing. Now, the marketing is a tool that provides email campaigns, promotions, and lead management. It helps businesses attract new customers and retain existing ones. That means it is tied up with the customer portal. It is a self-service portal where customers can book appointments, view service history, and make payments. It improves customer experience by offering 24/7 access to account details, as you can see it from here. All right. They also offer a thing called reporting. Now, for the reporting, it generates business reports on sales, technician performance, and customer trends, helping business analyze data and make informed decisions. Now, there's also a section for the accounting. Accounting gives you an option to integrate with financial systems to manage invoices, payments, and payroll. That means you can help your business track expenses, revenue, and profitability. All right. Of course, there's also the customer communication, kind of important because it automates the text, email, and phone reminders for appointments and follow ups, enhances customer engagement, and reduces missed appointments. Last is going to be the business analytics. It provides data, insights, and revenue using Waveletics, customer retention, and operational efficiency, helping your business identify trends and optimize any strategies that you might have. All right. Basically, you can transform data into decisions and actions. These are some of the PestPac customers. Now, for the pricing, if you're interested, you want to know for sure that they start with the small business plan. You can take control of your operations via desktop or mobile and position your business for growth, and you would have all these perks and benefits. But as you can see, they do not have a public information about the pricing. Next is going to be the professional, everything your pest operation needs to deliver exceptional service and streamline efficiencies by having all these. The enterprise manages employees across branches and locations, take on larger commercial clients. But the thing is, before you get to know all the pricing, you need to click the get started option, and one of the sales professional will book a discovery call, schedule a demo, so that they could offer a tailored fit solution depending on what your need, budget, and goals. Now, for the resources, if you wanted to know more about the PestPac, I highly suggest you go to the blog. They offer a lot of information about insights regarding using pest control or PestPac to be the software for your pest control business. These are some of the free articles. Not only that, they also, if you go to the section right here, there is the a thing called ROI calculator. All right, you can calculate your business cost savings by providing the information here. For example, number of technicians, and then there's going to be an infographic for you. Your estimated servings per year is all of these. All right, cost per year, planning time per year, and working time per year. All right. So basically, that's a wrap up of our first look at PestPac, the ultimate software for pest control business. If you are ready to streamline scheduling, track technicians in real time, and of course, boost your business efficiency, you might want to try PestPac. It is the way to go. Click on the get started so that one of the person can or one of the sales professional can give you a consultation for free and give you a tailored fit solution for your business needs. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use PestPac to manage your pest control business operations more efficiently. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical business and software tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.